Hello everyone, I'm Ava. Thank you for joining us today. Welcome to Ava Talks Crypto. Our channel aims to provide you with up-to-date information about the crypto world, and I'll be bringing you all the latest news to keep you informed. Stay updated on the latest news and insights in the world of crypto. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Ava Talks Crypto. Today, we're going to talk about why several digital currency firms are actively looking for new financial institutions following the US banking collapse, the reasons why investors are growing more confident in Bitcoin and treating the digital asset as a safe investment, and also about the recent Coinbase announcement that pushed their stocks up by 12%. We're also taking a look at the top crypto performers this week. To start things off, we're seeing several crypto companies scrambling to find financial institutions to bank with following the collapse of Silvergate Capital and Signature Bank. The two banks are known to be friendly with digital currency companies, which makes them very different from traditional banks. Some crypto firms are looking overseas for financial institutions, particularly in Switzerland, where more Swiss banks are making the switch and taking a more friendly stance toward cryptocurrency companies. According to multiple industry leaders in the Swiss banking system, they have been receiving tons of requests for their banking services from crypto companies. Typically, crypto companies find it difficult to find banks to do business with since traditional lenders don't look favorably at cryptocurrencies. Traditional banks are highly conservative and won't touch any asset that does not have a clear regulatory framework, which includes blockchain and crypto companies. Because of this attitude towards digital assets, crypto firms were forced to turn to specialist banks, which included Signature Bank, Silvergate Capital, and Silicon Valley Bank. Now that these three big lenders are out of the picture, there appears to be a shortage of lenders in the US that can accommodate crypto firms. However, Switzerland had been seeking to enter the crypto market in the past few years. Many crypto firms are now looking at Swiss lenders to do business with. An advisor for a private Swiss bank stated that they are being inundated with requests from crypto firms since the bank closures in the United States. The advisor, who wants to remain anonymous due to the sensitivity of the matter, also stated how crazy things currently are. Despite the Credit Suisse crisis, the turmoil brought about by the banking collapse in the US has increased business opportunities for Swiss banks. After UBS acquired Credit Suisse, companies viewed Switzerland more favorably, which helped the country's reputation as a stable and trustworthy financial hub. Sygnum, one of the biggest banks in Switzerland focused on providing services for digital asset companies, is seeing an increase in inquiries from several US-based crypto firms, along with European and non-European firms. Sygnum's chief marketing officer, Dominic Castley, stated that after the banking industry events unfolded, they had been getting a lot of requests for their services. He stated that because of their locations in both Switzerland and Singapore, digital asset companies are finding it attractive to bank with them. Switzerland is also known for its crypto-friendly stance, which is why many digital asset companies are seeking to do business with Swiss financial institutions. Cryptocurrency is already volatile enough. It needs a stable operating environment, which Switzerland can offer. The country even created what locals dub Crypto Valley. Just outside of Zurich, the capital of Switzerland, is the city of Zug, where many crypto startups have set up shop. The Swiss government also introduced a regulation in 2021, which further attracted investors since it helped with stability. We can expect more crypto firms to make similar moves in the following weeks. Speaking of the banking crisis looming over the US, increasing numbers of investors are now looking at Bitcoin as a safe haven. Usually seen in an unfavorable light due to its volatility, Bitcoin is seeing more investors buy the digital asset. As the banking crisis stalks the world of stocks and bonds, investors are looking for a safer asset to invest in. As confidence in Bitcoin increases, many altcoins are also following the trend. Due to the increasing confidence in Bitcoin, we've seen the Bitcoin price rise by 21% this month alone. For now, cryptocurrency has severed its ties with stocks and bonds. Many investors are rallying in gold and Bitcoin, which serves as a refuge for those suffering from the looming financial crisis. US regulators were forced to launch emergency measures as hundreds of billions of dollars were wiped out in value when Silicon Valley Bank, Silvergate, and Signature Bank went under. However, some experts are still skeptical of Bitcoin's recent success. They think that the bullish trend is temporary and that it's not going to last. At the moment, Bitcoin is in bullish trend and the price is hovering around $28,000. Investors are waiting for the Federal Reserve's announcement on Wednesday regarding interest rates and how it will fight inflation and help ease the stress on banks. The rapid price rise of Bitcoin even forced short sellers to cut their bets and buy coins back, hoping to profit from the current trend. Although some market analysts are saying that the Bitcoin surge is temporary, there are those who disagree. Market analysts and experts say that human psychology plays a factor in the confidence in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Even when the Fed's announcement on Wednesday favors traditional financial institutions, it's still not easy to gain people's trust following the banking system's failures. What we're seeing is Bitcoin's core ethos of being decentralized and independent from the centralized financial system, which can be manipulated by government bodies. The banking crisis fueled a lot of interest among investors in looking at decentralized finance. The situation is slowly showing that Bitcoin is a good alternative when banks are in trouble. As we wait for the Fed announcement, we'll find that Bitcoin and other digital assets will perform positively in the market. As traditional financial institutions in the US experience hardship, America's largest digital asset exchange is performing well in the market. Coinbase recently announced that they are expanding their services to make them more accessible in Brazil. The platform is now allowing people to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using Brazilian currency. The exchange will also allow customers to withdraw Brazilian reais through the Brazilian instant payment platform called Pix. Coinbase also rolled out an app for customers in the Brazilian Portuguese language. Since the announcement was made, Coinbase stock, Coin, started trading at $75.15 and peaked at $84.79. At the end of the day, the stock price settled at $83.99. This is a 12% rise in just 24 hours, which is amazing given how poorly traditional stocks and bonds have done in the country since the banking crisis. Many speculators see that Coinbase is aggressively expanding overseas, and Brazil is only the beginning. Coinbase aims to accelerate their expansion to even more countries in the future. We're now taking a look at the latest prices for cryptocurrency. The big winners this week are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, XRP, Shiba Inu, Polygon, Litecoin, and Binance. For our crypto price watch, we're seeing Bitcoin and other crypto assets continuing to move higher. In advance of the US Fed announcement, altcoins posted significant gains. The US dollar's weakness and the banking crisis supported investment in riskier and traditionally more volatile digital assets, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin continues to show dominance in the market by rising 2% more past the $28,000 mark. The reported weekly gains of Bitcoin are at 14%, which makes this an attractive digital asset to acquire. Ethereum is also making a big move in the market, jumping over 3% to hold above the $1,800 mark. Altcoins also outperformed their headline peers. Speculators say that if the Fed decides to make changes, market volatility is predicted. Crypto tokens are trading with gains, with XRP gaining 21% and Cardano soaring over 10%. Avalanche and Dogecoin gained 6% each, and Shiba Inu, Litecoin and Polygon made 4% gains each. Binance Coin, or BNB, also experienced a 25% price surge in the past 10 days and is now being traded at the $335 level, which it hadn't seen since the FTX collapse. BNB was able to break above several levels of resistance, including the trendline that was set up in May 2022. As US bank stocks continue to take a hit, market analysts see digital assets as popular investment options for people looking to protect their assets. These are all the latest crypto news stories that we have for you today. We hope you find our video informative and that it helps you navigate your way in the crypto space. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notifications every time we upload new videos on YouTube. Again, this is Ava from Ava Talks Crypto. Thanks for watching.